This is the third version of our IoT Tracker device which we've been building upon at the lab for some time. The first version, while I did share the assembly process, works well, but lacks some additional feature which we want for our tracker device. Apart from other features we've already achieved, we ultimately want to use this device for motion and vibration tracking, and hence why we optimize the second and third version with MPU 6050 chip to act as our gyration sensor. Having this and other advancements put in place in our redesign, I assembled the board following the initial process. While waiting for my team member to complete the web app for the data login and tracking of the hardware, I created a Blynk application to test the device. As I toggle through the menu program on the hardware, I get the exact responsive feedback on the app interface, which is amazing. I can track the runtime, battery percentage, and other variable. With a terminal, I can request for some analytical data of some recorded variable. Likewise, it's cool to have recorded series of progress in this project, and in time to come, I will share further progress made on this build.